Hello, I'm Carly, a senior analyst here at One Energy. Welcome to today's Science Short. Today is our first episode of a new series discussing simple machines. This episode will talk about simple machines generally, and future episodes will detail individual simple machines. A simple machine is a device that can change direction, distance, speed, or the amount of force acting on an object. Simple machines can achieve this change with little to no moving parts. There are 6 simple machines: the wheel and axle, the pulley, the lever, the wedge, the screw, and an inclined plane. These devices make work simpler. Exactly how do they make work simpler? Let's take the example of one common simple machine, the inclined plane. Here I have a large textbook, which is quite heavy and hard to lift, but with a lot of effort, I can carry it from down here to up here. Now let's try the same action, but with an inclined plane. Using an inclined plane as a ramp, it makes it so much easier for me to move the object higher. We can quantify how much easier a simple machine makes a task by using the concept called mechanical advantage. Each simple machine calculates mechanical advantage differently, but for the case of the ramp, the longer the ramp is and the gentler the incline that it has, the higher the mechanical advantage. This makes sense, right? A steep ramp can be difficult to walk up, but a ramp with a gentle incline is easier. So, the mechanical advantage, the measure of how much easier the simple machine makes the task, is higher for a longer ramp with a gentler incline. You might have seen some of these in your day-to-day activities. For example, a butter knife is a type of wedge used to push apart butter. An elevator uses pulleys to easily lift people to higher floors. Any of these simple machines can be used in conjunction with each other to produce complex machines. A complex machine is a machine that uses the parts and principles of multiple simple machines to create a larger mechanical advantage. A wheelbarrow is a great example of a complex machine. It uses a wheel and axle to help move along the ground, and it also acts as a lever when you pick up the handles. Both these aspects add mechanical advantage and make it easier to move heavy objects, like this textbook, far distances. Many complex machines have parts made up of simple machines. See if you can identify many as you go through your day. Thanks for coming to today's Science Short on simple machines. Over the next couple weeks, we're going to be discussing the types of simple machines in more detail. Next week, we'll cover another simple machine, the wheel and axle. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember, challenge everything.